categorization of fractions. Let us learn addition and subtraction of like fractions. Can we see an example, children? The question is add or subtract the fractions. A 1 by 4 plus 2 by 4. Solution. The question is 1 by 4 plus 2 by 4. See here, children, in this we have same denominators. So we combine and write the fractions. Denominator 4 and the numerator is 1 plus 2. The value is 1 plus 2 by 4. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 by 4. At last, answer is equal to 3 by 4. Is it clear, children? Can we see one more example? Now, let us learn add or subtract the fractions. The question is 5 by 8 plus 2 by 8. Solution. 5 by 8 plus 2 by 8. In this, the denominators are same and the numerators are different. So, these are like fractions. The denominators are same means we have to combine the fractions. 5 plus 2 divided by 8. Yes, 5 plus 2 is 7. Yes, 7 by 8. At last, answer is equal to 7 by 8. Is it clear, children? The question is see 5 by 5 minus 1 by 5. Solution. 5 by 5 minus 1 by 5. Here the denominators are same. So these are like fractions. 5 minus 1 divided by 5. Then 5 minus 1 is 4. 4 by 5. At last, answer is equal to 4 by 5. Is it clear, children? Can we see one more example? The question is 8 by 15 minus 2 by 15. Solution. 8 by 15 minus 2 by 15. Here, the numerators are different and denominators are same. So, we should combine the given fraction. 8 minus 2 divided by 15. 8 minus 2 is very good. 8 minus 2 is 6. 6 by 15. Answer is equal to 6 by 15. Is it clear, children? Now, let's see the word problem of addition and subtraction of like fractions. The question is, Shima had 12 candles. She gave 2 candles to one friend and 4 candles to another friend. What fraction of candles did Seema give away? See here, children, if I have 12 candles, I gave 2 candles to one friend and 4 candles to another friend. Now, I have how many candles left with me? Can we find that, children? Solution. Seema had candles is equal to 12 and she gave to one friend is 2 and for another friend 4 candles. So, now we are going to find the fraction of candles did Seema give away? See here children, for one friend she gave 2 candies. 2 divided by total number of candies. Total number of candies is 12. The fraction of 2 candies are 12. Then for another friend 4 plus 4 divided by number of candies 12. Here the denominators are same. Yes, it is a like fraction. So we combine this fraction 2 plus 4 divided by 12. 2 plus 4 is 6. 6 by 12. 6 by 12. See here children, 6 by 12 is not in simplest form. Now we have to simplify this fraction. The common number of 6 and 12 is 3. Yes. 2 3s are 6 and 4 3s are 12. Now the fraction is 2 by 4. Yes. 2 by 4 is also not in simplest form. Now we simplify this fraction. The common number of 2 and 4 is 2. 1 2 is 2 and 2 2s are 4. Now the fraction is 1 by 2. Yes. At last answer is equal to 1 by 2. Seema give away 1 by 2 fraction of candies. Is it clear children? Can we see one more example? The question is, a storybook has 28 pages. Rishi read 7 pages on Monday and 9 pages on Tuesday. On which day he read more and by what fraction? Solution. A storybook has 28 pages. Rishi read on Monday 7 pages. Rishi read on Tuesday 9 pages. Now we have to write the fraction for given data. On Monday 7 pages. So 7 by 28. On Tuesday 9 pages. So 9 by 28. See here children, in this we have same denominators and different numerators. So we should compare numerators. 7 is less than 9. Yes, 7 is smaller number and 9 is bigger number. So 7 is less than 9. The question is, on which day he read more? Yes, we have to find the fraction for on which day he read more. Which is greater here children? 7 or 9? 9 is greater. So 7 by 28 is less than 9 by 28. 9 by 28 is on Tuesday. Yes, on Tuesday he read more. Answer is Tuesday. The question is, on which day he read more and by what fraction? We found the answer for which day. Now we have to find the answer for how much more he read on that day by what fraction. For that, we have to find the difference. See here children, 9 by 28 minus 7 by 28. The denominators are same. So, we should compare numerators. 9 minus 7 by 28. 9 minus 7 is 2. 2 by 28. At last, answer is equal to 2 by 28. On Tuesday, he read 2 by 28 fractions more than Monday. Okay children, bye. See you in next class.